an absolutely lovely evening here in Dublin. You know what? After having rain for the last 2 months here in Dublin, in Ireland, it is such a treat to be getting dry days for once, because my bike has been crying sitting in the front garden. Crying. Like, I mean, look at that. Orange skies. Yep. That's what we want, and that is why we are heading straight for the mountains. Stormtrooper! There we have it, boys. We're in the mountains. If you know this spin up, well then you know it's a nice one. This is the Dublin Mountains on the way up the viewpoint. For those of you who don't know, get to know. Damn. Oh, what an evening. Like, honestly, beautiful out. Go on, take that turn there, boss. I always slow down a little bit when I get around here, because going by the Healthcare Club, you don't know what people will be out walking around at this time. You don't want anybody to walk out in front of your car, or for someone to pull out in front of your car. That is the Healthcare Club right there to the right. Anyways, here's a nice bit of wet road for me. No thank you. That car, I hope they see me. Beep beep. This here, folks, is the all amazing viewpoint. As you can see all the city there. Unreal. Everybody up here doing a bit of riding, eh? Not the riding I'm doing. Boy. Many of cars I've seen crashed in the ditch on that bend. Many of cars. You know, it's funny, because I thought to myself this much, even when there's no mic. And that's the joy of riding a bike. Oh, this is unreal. I reckon a fair few people up there coming along here to say, whoa, a bit of gravel, no thank you. Might do a bit of a spin around there, because it looks unreal. Bit of gravel here now. Whoa, tell you, gotta put a bit of hair on your balls. Oh, the roads are shite up here sometimes. It's up here yesterday, and the wind was hectic. I was on my way back, and I got blown over to the other side of the road there on this bend. And when I say, shat myself. I wouldn't be surprised if there was a few skiddies left in them jocks. Oh, and it gets dark quick, I tell you that. Way! Hey! Yeah. This is what we do it for, folks. It's raining over there. That's not what we do it for. Anyways, sweet!